So if a political party is motivated only by desire to be in power, even then it will be forced to serve the people. So even the political party is motivated to serve the people only because of the power, that will not work, because they are doing the work by forcefully, they are not doing from their own. This is a bit like the way market works. Even if a shopkeeper is interested only in his profit, he is forced to give good service to the customer. So in the same way, in the market system also, if a shopkeeper is interested only in gaining the profit, what he will do, he will just give a good service in order to gain more profit to the customers. If he does not, the consumer will go to some other shop. So if he will not show or you can say, if the shopkeeper will not give a good service to the customer, what the customer will do, he will go to the other shop, so that the customer can get good service from the another shop. Similarly, political competition may cause division and some ugliness, but it finally helps to force political parties and leaders to serve the people. So we can say that though in the political competition, they are done, they are doing the work in order to you can say, to desire to have to get a vote or power, but by doing so they are doing the welfare of the people. And hence we can say that the political competition is good as well as bad. So it totally depend upon the political parties and the leader who is serving the normal citizens. Okay, so in this picture you can see, here is a man, okay, and he is saying मेरे पास योजनाएं हैं, घोषणाएं हैं, वादे हैं. And here is a man, he is saying मेरे पास वोट है. So how he got the vote? Obviously by giving money to the normal citizens of our country, or you can say the poor section of our country, and they have gained the vote. So finally he got the power. So this is the ugly truth of the you can say electoral competition in a democratic country. And here also you can say, here is a leader and here is the promises, and he is just giving the promises to the you can say to the voters. And here voters is signify as the dog, and the voters are just looking to the promises which the political leader had made. So after election they will not show their face, and once the 5 years of duration is over, again they will come back to the voter and they will beg and they will say please give us votes, and again they will promise, and again the same situation, it keeps on going and going and going. So this is a bitter truth of a electoral competition in a democratic country, and the same thing exists in our country India.